Hi, my name is Rachel Youn. I studied studio art with a concentration in sculpture at WashU, and today I am a full-time artist, which feels really crazy to say. I work across sculpture and installation, usually with kinetic components and fake plants, and I'm working to create sculptures and installations that are clumsy, absurd, and sometimes erotic. The questions that I'm hoping to ask the audience as well as myself to think about relationships to things like automation, labor, honestly, and the way we interact with bodies. I think a lot of these relationships reflect on parasocial ones, or with people we don't know, as well as our interpersonal ones. Often kind of questioning our relationship to loneliness and isolation and just the many ways in which the world or capitalism are kind of pushing us to be more withdrawn from each other. I'm kind of taking things from these massagers, they have these knobs or nodes on them that are supposed to be almost like thumbs circulating that you would put against your neck or your feet. And I'm kind of stripping away a lot of the softness, the fabric, the foam, or these kind of covers that conceal a lot of the mechanics underneath a lot of these objects. And by kind of extending fake plants or different armatures off of them, I feel like I'm almost kind of giving a body to something that was supposed to serve as a body. And really the point of the works is that they don't have to serve anymore. Instead, they kind of get to perform kind of strange erotic movements or kind of wacky movements as well. I hope that people experience kind of what happens to me in the studio, which I often find that I'm on the right track if I'm kind of surprised or shocked or unsettled or even disturbed by whatever I've created. There's oftentimes just an unexpected movement or kind of a humorous element to the work that I can't always predict when I'm even making it. And so it's really fun to kind of share in that experience with the audience. I wanted to be an artist since I was younger. I came to WashU and I didn't know what that creative path would look like. I remember this really distinct moment. It was actually my last semester review in my senior year at WashU, where I was with a small group of faculty, and I said it out loud. I was I do want to be an artist, which was both really scary and also really exciting. That was kind of me making a promise to myself to keep going. Something I always hope for out of my work is that I just hope I get to keep going in whatever aspect that is. That's what success is to me, more than, art world recognition or money or anything like that. And I hope I get to kind of keep building, and I hope to be able to work more collaboratively with others. I've been working mainly as a solo practitioner and spent a lot of time in the studio alone, but especially as I dream of scaling my work up, I'm really looking forward to working with others and trusting others in the process.